Hello everyone and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a brand new product from LG, and that is the UltraGear GP9 gaming speaker. Now there are a lot of choices for speakers out there, but I am excited to show you several awesome features that LG UltraGear have packed into this awesome looking gaming speaker. Now whilst headsets and desktop speakers are still very common choices for many gamers and entertainment consumers, there are several factors that make this LG UltraGear gaming speaker a very good choice. For example, gaming headsets can get quite uncomfortable when used for long periods of time, and also for people that wear glasses. It can also take away from that more laid back and casual gaming experience. This LG UltraGear speaker not only offers fantastic sound and customization, but also includes built-in voice chat with echo cancellation, a fantastic hi-fi DAC which can be used to enhance your existing hi-fi equipment, EQ customization, personalization options, and many other features that we will cover in this video. So taking a look at what we get inside the nicely presented box, we of course have a user guide, manual, power cable, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, and of course the speaker itself. The LG UltraGear speaker has a stunning design and premium build quality, with buttons easily accessible on top of the device for changing source, volume, EQ presets and so on. It's got a large front-facing speaker which can be seen through the aggressive looking front grille, and as you'll see shortly, it also features lighting zones which you can customize via the dedicated xBOOM app. The underside of the device has several rubber feet to allow it to remain stable and avoid any rattling sounds when in use. This also stops it moving around, as the bass output on this thing is absolutely incredible. Under the flap on the back we have a power input, but the device can also be used portably thanks to a battery life of up to 5 hours on a full charge. You've also got a USB Type-C input, optical input, a reset button, as well as an aux port as well. Another great thing about the GP9 is that it can work with practically any device, whether it be your phone, game console, laptop, desktop PC, standard hi-fi, or even your own headset. There is a lot of flexibility and choice thanks to all of the ports included. The clear instructions make it very easy to get up and running with this speaker. On top you have the power button, input select for USB, optical and Bluetooth, which by the way is very easy to connect, a headset on and off button, as well as a volume wheel and voice chat mode with a built-in microphone right next to that. Alongside that you also have the preset EQ options for FPS and RTS games, which by the way sound really good, or the EQ mode which lets you create your own setting from the xBOOM app. Talking of which, the UltraGear xBOOM app works really well. I simply connected it to the speaker, which took a matter of moments, and from here you can adjust everything such as the EQ settings, and as I just mentioned, also things like the source and LED colour. Although talking of that, I do hope they add things like reactive light syncing or a spectrum mode in the near future. You can plug your own headphones into the back of the speaker to instantly enhance your headset experience with the DTS Headphone X software, which gives your headset a virtual 7.1 surround sound upgrade when plugged in. The EQ customization within the app also works really well and allows you to adjust things like the bass, treble and the specific highs and lows to create your ideal listening experience. With all of these customization options, this speaker works fantastically well for movies, music and games. Talking of games, the built-in mic is brilliant, and thanks to its echo cancelling technology, you are heard loud and clear by your teammates without them getting all of the background noise. Now I'll quickly show you a few clips of the voice chat feature in action.
You guys got this, I'm believing in you.
I'm bringing you back.
Blast is very low. Nice.
Good job guys.
Wow, good job. Kill one and revive Sage.
Yeah, we've got to kill someone first.
Yeah, you got this, I believe in you. Okay, you got this. Okay, you got it. Ooh, good cry.
I can't use that. Your duty is not over. So what I missed? Switching sides. You do everything.
Oh my god, Chat, you're so funny.
Yes, I know.
I'm still laughing.
I am so humor. I really think so.
Very much, very much.
You fought well.
I tested the mic out for a good while and asked people how it was, and they all said it's clear and has no background noise problems, even though I'm playing the game out loud, which I have to admit is pretty impressive. As well as this technology, LG also provide 3D gaming sound with their HRTF or head related transfer function algorithm. This basically means you can get optimized sounds for whichever game genre you desire to play. One of the biggest bonuses for me is the portability of the device. Sometimes I don't want to wear headphones, or if you go camping or something, this is a brilliant way to take excellent audio with you. Although for this reason it would have been nice if there was an included carry case for the speaker. One of the main selling points for this speaker is its incredibly accurate sound reproduction thanks to the built-in hi-fi quad DAC. It's a 32-bit DAC featuring 132 decibel dynamic range, which is seen in a lot of top-end audio equipment and provides you with a high-resolution audio experience. Now I'm going to let the speaker do the talking with some examples of games, movies and music. Enjoy.
Well, we see it again, Derek. There's all ways of scoring a goal. Laces, outside of foot. On this occasion, he uses his instep. It's a really, really good finish.
Multiple hostile spy planes detected.
I hope these clips have given you a good idea of the capabilities of this speaker, but I can assure you it sounds even better in real life compared with what's picked up by my phone's microphone. I've thoroughly enjoyed using the LG UltraGear gaming speaker over the last couple of weeks, and I think it's going to be a very sought after device for avid entertainment consumers who are looking to upgrade their audio experience in various different scenarios. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really does help the channel out. I hope to see you all in the next video. Goodbye.